Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Chicken.
This is the Arunguru family. So guys, I know you guys have been missing us. Like some of my classmates have been asking me, Suko, when are you gonna make another video? When are you gonna make videos? So this is gonna be the DK gang. Yeah, and I know some people were asking me, when are you gonna make? I want to see more videos. I want to see more pranks. I want to see more what, and what. So guys, please, if you're guys gonna watch my video, you guys should also watch Rivalda Antonio's videos because she's also my friend. And guys, I just wanted to say that one day you guys will hear me singing "Queen of Mean" by Sarah Jerafine from Disney 3.
And Hafeni, I told you today we'll make a video. Chicken. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a lot of videos. Shout out to my friend Hafeni HK Changes YouTube channel. He's a really cool guy, and he has a watch called the Fitbit. I see you, man. So he's just gonna make a lot of it. I'm just gonna take a shower. Let me show you my bathroom. What the heck were you doing? People? Yeah, that'll be weird, man. That'll be weird. Oh, and let me show you our fridge. Ooh. 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 You see me, I see you. Okay, so bye guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll make a new video.
Yeah.
We promise we'll make a new video.
We don't promise, but we are hoping. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Sharp effects.
Mwah.